Okay, everybody, welcome again. It's another training on Thursday, and I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to introduce something new to you. It's called OSM SHA, OSMCha. Hii ni tool ambayo you can use it for doing some validations. It's the tool that can help you try to validate other OSM work. As we know, kuna a lot of things that we've been doing, a lot of mapping. So we have to learn some tools how you can validate. And the simplest one of the tool is called OSMCha. I mean, if you want to search for this, you have to just, let me show you how. You can just go to the web browser, and if you reach the web browser, you can write just simple as it is. You just have to write OSM OSMCha, okay, .org. So first you will have to open an account for this. Say you will have to open an account for this. For me, I already have an account, so I will start with logging it out so that I can show you how you can write. So if you on your web browser, if you write osmcha.org, and let me say I'm going to sign up because I have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to write this OSMCha sign up. Okay, it's an easy job. It's an easy task. You will just need to. It's very easy. It's like how you sign up for any other account. So let's see. This is my. Let's see. Gonna take a time. It's gonna take a time. There is a creating an account, and there is a login. Let me see with the login. Okay, so here it will tell you to, it will ask you to write. So here is my OpenStreet name and everything. I'm going to keep me log in and log in. So if you don't have an account, you will just need to sign up for an account so that you can be it could be very easy for you to access the OSMCha. So it's gonna take some time. Incorrect or password, I wonder what. Okay, let me go again to, sorry, let me go to OSMCha. OSMCha. Okay, so here is give me like an option of signing up, and it will connect with my OSM account, and I will grant an access. And then from there, sign in with your OpenStreetMap account. If you have one, you can sign in with your OpenStreetMap account. So what do you see here is you see like OSMCha is a validation tool for OpenStreetMap. It helps you to filter the work that you want to validate. It helps you to select, and it helps you to view and also to verify if the work that you are looking, or if the value, if the data that you are looking is in the good state. If you see like the building is mapped correctly, and what you have marked is literally look quite good, I can verify it by giving it a thumb up or a thumb down. If the verification is very good and crucial and fine, I will just give it a thumb up. If the validation is very poor, I will just give it a thumb down. So I won't mind if you guys share one of the name that I could show you uh, how you can do some filter, how you can select. If you see on the left hand side, there is a username, and there is a order, there's a filter, and what, and there is a help sign. It's like a question mark tag. Let me click on the question mark tag. If you click on the question mark tag, you will get the OSMCha guide. It's like there is an introduction of OSMCha and why you use OSM and what is the vandalism, what the flag changes and how to automatically flag, why to review the changes as a good and bad, future of the validation using it, how to review the change set in mapper detail, using change set, reviewing change set on OSMCha from OpenStreet to filter, application of edit basics. So you will see there's a lot of information here you can get from this, the guideline. So there is a way, or the simplest way is for you just to take this OSMCha as a way of validating some of other mappers' data. So we know there are so many mappers around the world who are mapping, but if you have a knowledge of how to do some validation by using OSMCha, you can start validating other mappers' work with the knowledge that I'm going to give you. So actually, this is very easy way of doing the validation, and it's very straightforward. Let's see. Let's see the introduction of OSMCha. It's the short for OpenStreetMap Change Set Analyzer. So OSMCha is a web tool to help visualize and analyze edit made by mappers on the OpenStreetMap. Was originally written by a person, validations in collaboration with the Willy, with the global instance, and also by Mapbox as an additional data quality analysis for the community. So why use OpenStreetMap character analyzer? I mean, we always know that there are so many mappers around the world. So if we know there are so many mappers around the world, so we really need to validate. We really need to validate the task. We need to validate this task. Okay, so there are so many things that we have to see and validate and compare and see if this. Okay, I'm sorry. I think I have the problem of a power breakdown. So I hope we can continue from here. Okay, so I don't know if my screen is already. Let me share again. Okay, so any given data, I mean, with a new user signing up on OSM every day, it's likely that the mapping guide and the week on the tagging scheme generally practice are not uniformly followed by every contribution. So we see why do we always need we need to analyze our tool and try to edit these tools. So I'm going to share the link with you guys so you can always pass over this and try to see what you can do with this. But I'm very interested on doing the practical work. So let's say, okay, if I want to try to do some edit. Let's say this is the mapper. Let me try. So here you can see, let me go directly to this person and see his work. And you can see here how I can edit and see if this mapping things is very good or if he does a good mapping or there was some errors with his mapping. I can just visualize and see. So you can get the information here. It's like, this is the mapper. He mapped 10 minutes ago. His name was like G. Austin. He edited like 56 edit, cutting track. And I'm trying to see what has he done so far. So you can see here. Okay. If I want to get the info, see here what he did. This is one of his work, like G. Austin. He does this. This is what he edited. I don't know this place. I really don't know this place, but you can You can really open this information or its data by using JOSM, by using ID, by using Rapid ID. But I want to show you guys how you can do this by using. So you can see here, you can get the information of this person, like the hashtag of the project that he has done, he did, like, and you can send even him a message. So you get the information of this person. The person name is like G. Austin, culting track, a source not reported, an editor like this, and the imagery used is the Bing aerial imagery. So if we map this place quite good, I can just go to verify and I can say it's a good or bad. So let me try to check another project that it can be very easy for you guys. At least, can you tell me at least your name so that I can do some filtering and see if you guys have done some mapping so that I can select one of the map that you've done, your name. If you see your name, just mention your name and let's see how can I visualize your data. Okay, I don't know you guys, how long have you been doing this? Let me go to with ascending to. So you know it's very, let's say like this review required. He mapped Uganda. Let me work on this person. Let me see his work. Let's see. Okay, this is Map Uganda project. I want to show you guys how you can visualize the work of somebody. So you see here, it's like you can see this guy map this area. The editor he used a JSON. It did not report the image that he used, but this is the hashtag of Map Uganda missing map, new CTUG or OSM Foundation. This is another project. So the name of this person is Donit Adon. So he edited like this and this and this, some kind of things that he mapped. So when I look here, it quite mapped this place good. I don't see the problem with his buildings and what. So you can see how, and I say, okay, his map is good. I'm just selecting. I've just say his map is very good by Kasunga. So can I get one of your name, guys, so that I can try to analyze one of your activity that you have done? Like, if you want mine. Another way you can filter, I can filter, like I want a project that people have done from this day to what day, and I can add like, there's a lot of information here you can add, like, can you mention at least your name so that I can see the project that you have done and select from the filter? Come on, guys, tell me your name or even text me through the chat. Text
Williams.
me. Come again. Can you text me your OSM name? Text me, please. Text me, please, so that I can see. Okay, thank you. I've seen a text here. I'm going to start with Zamzam Hamad, and then later we go to. I hope these are your OSM names. Zamzam Hamad. Let me go. Let me try to search for it. Zamzam. Sorry. Hamad. Yes. User. Apply. Okay. Changing. I'm looking for your name. I'm looking for the. Oh, it's showing me that like you have 0 change set. Why? Why does it show like you have 0 change set in here? Maybe this date. Where did you start mapping? Not today. Maybe let's say from when? Maybe you started somewhere around June. Yeah, up to up to today. And okay, let's try to apply Zamzam. It doesn't show me any changes that you have made so that we can edit. I don't know. I've taken from 15 April. Let me try to use another name. I see Zamzam, your data or your change set doesn't show really. Try Shabani. Okay, let me try Shabani. Shabani. Okay, let me try Shabani Magawila. I'm sorry, Zamzam. Shabani. Okay, let me try to apply. Okay, so here you see like Shabani have done some editing and review requested. Let me go to 8 months, 8 months, 8. So you can see here Shabani have done some many projects. Let's see. How does it look like? What does it look? It's Hot OSM project 5651, Tanzania Development Trust, Moshi District, and missing buildings. It's like he used a JOSM. So let's see. There are so many. Okay, so here you can see like you can see the dotted line. All of you guys, I believe you can always you can look. Okay, what did he use? He didn't report which kind of image did he use, but here I'm pretty sure that he used some of maybe he used just maybe he used Maxal, or maybe he used Maxal, or maybe he used something else. So sorry, let me go back to this. So there is like an adjustment where here the image that have been used, or the satellite image that have been used here is a map box. So you can see here there is like a displacement of a distance from the drawing of the building. Like you can see there is a shift of this and this, which is very let me try to use different kind of image. You see here, let me use Bing. Okay, and see if Shabani used Bing and see how does it look like, because I was using a map box. So let's see from the Bing. So you can see if I change Bing, if I change map box to Bing, I can see if Shabani, okay, I guess Shabani used another different map style. Or it's not like bin, map box, bar, map. I guess he used like a Maxal. So you can see the shift, but this is the place where you can try to change the background imagery. Like which map style did he use? Like I'm trying to use Bing, and if you see Bing and Mapbox, it's quite the same, because the displacement of the building that Shaban was mapped is like is quite the same. So why do we see like this point, this point, this point? This, what does this show? This show like first these buildings, Shabani modified these buildings. It feel like it's look like Shabani modified the building, the nature of this building. That's where you see the point. He shifted this point from this area and this point from this area. So I'm quite sure that the source map that Shabani used was what? Was another one. Was another image. So to make sure of what to be sure of what is that he does, let me try to open it with ID or JOSM or Rapid ID. So any of this that I'll be choosing, it will show me what exactly Shabani used. So don't jump to the conclusion by just looking from the OSMCha and say maybe this mapping is not good. Please, if you see the OSMCha give you the option of just a map box and Bing, but you can see the mapping of the person was clearly good, you can try to open on another browser or open on other tools to see if the mapping was quite good. Let me open it with okay, Shaban is just texting me to check on the around November or October. Okay, let's do that. I'm going back to filter. I'm going back to filter and I'm trying to select where this was April. Let me try to check September. Okay, September up to December. And the person who mapped this it was Shabani. Let's try to see what he does. Okay, 3 months. This isn't bad. This isn't bad. Let me try to check his work. So the source was like Bing. He used an edit of JOSM. Let's take some time to see his work. Oh, it's gonna take some time to load. Let's be patient. This is Tanzania Development Trust in Ngorongoro, missing buildings. It's a project 5740. 3 months ago, Shabani edited this place. But actually, you can see how, if you really want to monitor a work of the certain mapper, or you want to do some validation on the work that a person did, it's very easy. I mean, it's really very easy by using OSMCha. You can see if the person is improving or if it's flopping. So you can just give the, okay, let's see, map box. Let's see, Bing. Okay, here's the place that Shabani mapped. So here you can see, like, this is, you see here in the filter action, there's a building added, there's a modified building, and there's a deleted building. We always like telling the new mapper, do not delete the other mapper work. Try to modify it. So if you modify it, you can see here the color. This seems like Shabani modified this place. So Shabani modified the shape of this building. The origin was this color, and the new one, the modified one, was the yellow one. So here you can see what Shabani have done. And also, I mean, so you can here see like uh, the work that Shabani modified. Most of them is like look like Shabani modified them, because if you added the new features, the color will be green, and if you modify, the color will be yellow, and if you deleted, the color will be a red one. So here you is another way of trying to filter or try to search the youth mapper work or a mapper work and try to validate it if the map was good or what. Like here, I'm going to verify. I'm saying this is the good one, the thumb up. So this is the thumb up image. So can somebody else try to share his name so that I can try to search uh, on his work and try to see? Uh, come again. Another name is like, let me try this. JB. JR Baptiste. I'm copying this and I'm going to filter. Khalid Sharif, I'm going to see your work. I don't know when, but I'm going to, okay. USA, okay, I'm Korea. Sorry. Oh no, I'm not searching for a user. Okay, enter. Yes. Okay, let me try. Let me search for your work. Okay, it's taking some time to load. It's showing me from that. When did you start mapping, man? I'll have to be very accurate on this. Maybe you started. Let me try this. Please send me your correct name so that we can all see and review. Let me apply. It doesn't show me any changes that you have made so far, Mr. Khalid, William. Okay, which you search and review. Did I? Did I? Did I search and review? Oh, sorry. Username. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm applying this and see. Oh, here. Okay, 6 months. Oh, yeah. You have a lot of work that you have done. 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months. Let me see. A month ago. A month ago. Let me try to finding Noho. The source he used JOSM is finding Noho. I guess this was kind of some project that they were doing. I guess this is, I don't know, but let's look. So we are looking to J.R. Baptiste. Yeah. Okay. So I guess it's gonna take some time to load what you have done so far. I'm seeing some of the messages that you chat via chat. So okay, here's what you have edited so far. So you can see I can even visualize. So here, Jayhara Baptiste, I can visualize what you have mapped so far. You mapped the road of this place. I guess you quite mapped the correct. I think this is quite a good way of mapping. So I'm going to verify this as a good. So that's how the and another one. Let's see. You have done. Let me see this one. Guys, please keep sending me your name so that I can try to visualize all of your work and share with you guys the feedback of what you have done. Okay, here is another work of J.R. Batista. I quite don't know what was this for. Resilience Academy ZUSA tree mapping. So it was mapping tree. I'm not quite sure of the environment or of the place. I won't really try to let me go with this. It was mapping trees. So since I'm not familiar with the area or the place, I won't be able to like say this. Please keep sharing your names and everything. Bint Hamis. Okay. So Mr. Jayara Baptist, I've seen what you have done here. Okay, I guess it's kind of like I don't know what you are mapping, but I'm quite sure that you know what you are doing. So it's quite amazing. If you look at OSMCha, you can really see what other people work have done, if they've done it quite correctly or they've messed up. So let me see. Bintamis shared her name. I want to see. Okay. I'm applying to see what have you done so far. Okay, it's gonna take some time. No. Pinterest is showing me like you have done. What have you done from July? It's showing me this. What was the problem? I don't know. So, but so far, you guys have shown you how you can see how you can try to check and do some validation tool by using OSMCha. You can do some filtering. You can even try to ascending check date. You can ascending object created, ascending object modified. So, I mean, it's a very easy way of you to try to validate or try to visualize and edit or validate other person work. So what you have to do is just to read the correct information. If you really want to edit a work of from certain time to a certain time and a comment of that, size, if you know the name of a person. So it's quite very easy way of trying to visualize if the mapper map the place quite correctly. So it's very direct. If you want to open an account for OSMCha, it's just you have to go to OSMCha and you have to sign up or sign in. If you sign up, you already have OSM account. You can sign up or sign in by using your OSM account. So this is a very easy way of you to try to visualize the work of other people. So I'm going to allow you guys